Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I'm Perwinder Singh Verdi. Most people call me Bill. I'm from Coventry and I'm on the GT journey. Today means a lot. Today means a massive, heartfelt, energetic emergence, even deeper with the divine. It's really shaped me enormously. Awareness, ontologically, personally, transpersonally, on so many levels. It's been life-changing and a return to true essence, I would say. The teachers are fabulous, absolutely excellent. They're just absolutely fantastic. They give you the correct guidance, the correct nurture. They know when to come in. They know when to step back. When healing's happening, when support is there, it's there. The teachings are fabulous. All Gurmat Therapy's teachings taught beautifully by the flame teachers. I've discovered even more deeper that the divine light is within all of us, that we're on collectively and individually on different journeys, but we're all from the same jyot, from the same light, and we're all together. We are all Ek Omkar.